How's she going, boys? Welcome back to Grampie's workshop for day 2 of this little landscaping project we got going on here up at the fire pit. Quite a difference in the weather. Yesterday was hot and sunny. Today it's overcast and the wind is blowing and it's even a little bit cool, so good day for working. I've got some iron stakes I want to put behind my little fence that I made here. Can't see too good, but anyway, that's what we're up to today, so let's get at her. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I bought some of these T-bar fence posts. I'm going to cut them in half and use those as stakes to secure that little landscape wall that I built. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to cut these at probably at a 45-degree angle, give them kind of a point. Now these fence posts already have one end angled already, so I'm just going to cut the angle on the other end, and then what I'd like to do after I cut this off is I'll just cut the post in half and I'll get two stakes out of that way. Here we go. Oh. So I'm going to wear my safety glasses, and also at the recommendation of some friends I'm going to start wearing my hearing protection. So then I end up with 2 stakes, about 2.5 feet long. I also had, left over from other projects, I had these stakes. Now they're longer than these two, by about 6 inches. But that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I want to put 5 stakes on my little wall out there. So I'm going to put, I have 3 of these. So I'm going to put one in the middle, one on each end, and then I'll put these midway between them. And I think that ought to be enough to hold her up. But before I do that, I'm going to drill some holes in here. So here at the drill press then, I've got my post chucked up or viced up here. I have my stand to keep it nice and straight. I've also taken the time to mark, because my timbers out there are 4 inches thick, I like to put the screw through this post and into the center of the timber. So I come down 2 inches, 4 inches, 2 inches, 6 inches, and 10 inches. So that should give me screw holes right in the middle of the timber. And I'm also taking the time to make sure I drill on the side so that I don't drill into the T-bar post on the back. So here we go. So there's the 3 holes I drilled, 1, 2, and 3 up here. So when I drive this down behind the little knee wall, I'll be able to put my screws through the backside and screw into the wood, and this will secure the post to the wood and then the wood to the ground via the post. This is the lake side of that little knee wall I'm building. So you can see the stakes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put the heavy ones at the ends in the middle, and then the shorter ones between those heavier ones. So that's what we're up to next. one hit a root. Alright, that one hit a root in a rock, but I think it'll be okay. Nothing but rock in here. Well, it's not in the way I want it, but it's in. I have to straighten them up a little now. Okay, we have the posts all in, be it as they didn't go in the greatest. So we're going to put the screws in here. So that pulls it in tight. It either pulls the post in tight to the fence or the fence in tight to the post. I'm not sure which. Not bad. So we're going to do that to the rest of them. So, as you recall, I put 3 holes in each post, expecting to get 3 planks. But here, there's only 2 deep, so I'm only going to get 2 screws in. So there's my retaining wall. Doesn't look too bad. So I guess what we're up to next, I've ordered some Class A crushed rock. I'm going to get that dumped right here where this platform is, and then we'll spread that around. Have a great day. We'll talk to you.